If you've ever had the privilege of staying at a luxury resort with a spa-like bathroom, you get spoiled with the walk-in shower, steam and rainfall shower heads, as well as the plush bathrobe. If you're looking to create a chic bathing oasis of your very own, a key component of the design to consider is a glass-enclosed shower.
I've done a lot of traveling, and it was never fun when I had to check out of a posh hotel and return home. So when I started building my new house, I started scouring Pinterest and all those places so I can get inspiration for my new bathroom. I shared all the photos I saved with my contractor so that he could get an idea of the ambiance I was going for. The one thing I knew I did not want was a shower curtain. I mean, they're dark and moldy and claustrophobic. I fell in love with a glass enclosed shower because it felt open, airy, and bright. But I'm gonna be honest, I was pretty bummed to learn that the concentration of minerals in water can cause glass to corrode and stain over time. If I was going to spend the money on a shower door, I definitely didn't want to run the risk of the glass corroding. While looking for an alternative solution with protection from corrosion, I learned about ShowerGuard.
ShowerGuard glass is the perfect solution for your shower enclosure because it's not only beautiful, but it helps to resist corrosion. ShowerGuard has a permanent protective layer that's fused in during our manufacturing process, which is different from spray and wipe on coatings because those are applied after the glass is manufactured. The spray and wipe on coatings that you'll find, they don't last forever like ShowerGuard does, and your glass ends up not being protected. Our limited lifetime warranty protects against any visible corrosion and ensures that you'll be satisfied with your investment for years to come.
To the naked eye, glass appears to be smooth. However, under a microscope, you can see that glass is actually porous, allowing limescale, dirt, and other contaminants to get trapped. This buildup can be resistant to cleaning products and leave the glass permanently etched.
ShowerGuard has a smooth surface, making it difficult for residue to build up and also making it simple to care for.
ShowerGuard glass is manufactured in the United States, and certified Guardian fabricators can customize glass to fit your bathroom configuration perfectly. Glass can be available in a variety of different sizes and thicknesses to fit your shower. ShowerGuard is offered on standard clear glass as well as low iron glass, which helps to neutralize the color of the glass and improve clarity.
Guardian ShowerGuard Ultra Clear glass has a lower iron content than standard ShowerGuard glass. Ultra Clear glass enhances your transparency and allows you an even more beautiful view of your tile work. Our glass is perfect for any type of shower enclosure project, even if you want to go frameless.
I love my shower. I can sit on the bench while I'm showering and just enjoy the hot water droplets on my body. It's so soothing and relaxing and a great way to start a day or unwind at night. And through the glass, I can see the daylight that shines in from my window. Even when I'm not showering, I can appreciate the beautiful tile work that adds to the ambiance of the bathroom. Plus, I can worry less about the risk of corrosion on my investment. With simple care and cleaning, the low-maintenance glass stays beautiful for a lifetime.
Go to ShowerGuardGlass.com to locate a dealer near you who can assist you with your bathroom project. Learn more at designingspaces.tv.